Hey, what's up everybody? It's Keith here from Tribal Expression. I'm so excited to show you this new special part of our venture, Tribal Expression Kids. Kids ear piercing is such a special part and a special time in their life to come and get their ears pierced that we want to provide just this really special place for them to have that opportunity when they make that choice. And it should be a really fun experience and a fun place for them to do that, especially for professional ear piercing. So why don't we come in, take a look around, and I can show you guys exactly what we're doing and give you a little bit of an explanation. So I can't wait to show you. Let's take a look around. All right, let's take a look at the sterilization room. Wow, it's the same what you would expect from Tribal Expression. We individually sterilize every single appointment that we do, so you can trust in us that you're going to get the same service that you would get next door. So you don't have to worry about cross-contamination or anything like that. When you pick a piece of jewelry up front, we will then have a brand new piece of jewelry in the back, which we'll individually sterilize with a brand new needle and pierce your child up front. So it is, we feel, the safest way to do individually sterilization with a brand new needle for every single child.